What is big data? Big data. Huge volumes of data, structured and unstructured, that inundates a business on a day-to-day basis. From social media posts, cell phone GPS signals, to digital photos, big data is everywhere. Big data is characterized by 3 V's: volume, velocity, and variety. Big data analysis helps companies to understand patterns, trends, and preferences for strategic decisions. From healthcare, retail, to banking industries, big data is revolutionizing the way we do business. Big data presents challenges in storage and analysis, but it also opens up opportunities for innovation. Big data. A complex concept, a global phenomenon, a game changer. That's big data for you.